Meanwhile, Jamaica won 2 more medals in track and field on Sunday's final day of competition at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England. Karen Madden has a report.
Commonwealth Games double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah ran a sensational ankle leg to help Jamaica grab a bronze medal in the women's sprint relay in 43.08 seconds on the final day of competition. Kemba Nelson came out of the blocks for the Jamaicans, handed over to Natalia White, who passed to Ramona Burchell on the third leg, with Thompson-Herah waiting on anchor. Jamaica's women's 4x4 team ended the championship in silver medal winning fashion, despite finishing third, after winners Great Britain were disqualified and Canada, who were originally second placed, were elevated to gold. The team of Cheyenne Salmon, Jonelle Bromfield, Ranisha McGregor, and Natoya Gould clocked 3 minutes 26.93 for the podium finish. And Jamaica were on the wrong side of another disqualification at the Games, as after ending fourth in the men's 4x400 meter relay, the team of Kareem Bartley, Nathan Allen, Javon Francis, and Anthony Cox was disqualified. Earlier, Megan Tapper finished just outside the medals as she ended fourth in 12.67 seconds, with Danielle Williams sixth in 12.69. World champion Tobia Musan won the event in a games record 12.30, with Devin Charlton of the Bahamas getting silver in 12.58 and England's Cindy December third in 12.59. And despite fielding 2 men in the 400-meter final, Jamaica finished outside of the medals as Anthony Cox was 6th in 46.17, while Nathan Allen ended 8th in 48 seconds flat. Jonelle Bromfield was 5th in the women's equivalent in 51.45, with the event going to her MVP training partner Shade Williams of Barbados in a games record 49.90. The Great Britain pair of Victoria Hogorugo in a personal best 50.72 and Jodie Williams in a season's best 51.26 took silver and bronze. Akilah Smith was 7th in the women's long jump with a 6.55 meter effort, 1 centimeter outside her personal best 6.56. National record holder Navaski Anderson, the country's lone representative in the men's 800 meters, ended 5th in 1 minute 48.75. And Jordan Scott ended 5th in the men's stripper jump, leaping 16.11 meters. Jamaica ended the games with 15 medals, 6 gold, 6 silver, and 3 bronze. Karen Madden.